In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a simple spreadsheet of contact information and bring it into Mailchimp safely and correctly, so you can start using those contacts in your campaigns right away. First, you'll want to prepare your file. Open up a spreadsheet program and create columns for each piece of information you want to import. At a minimum, you should have a column for email, since that's required. You can also add columns like first name, last name, phone number, or any other details you plan to use. Make sure your column headers are clear and consistent. When you're done, save the file in a supported format, and CSV is usually the easiest and most reliable option. Next, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the Audience section. From there, click on All Contacts. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Add Contacts. Open that drop-down and choose Import Contacts. This is where you'll tell Mailchimp that you want to bring in contacts from your file instead of adding them one by one. On the import screen, Mailchimp will ask you how you want to bring in your data. Select the option to upload a file and then click Continue. Now you can either click to select your file from your computer or simply drag and drop the CSV file you created earlier into the upload area. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be asked to confirm which audience you want to import these contacts into. Double-check that you're choosing the correct audience, especially if you manage more than one, so you don't mix up different contact lists. Before moving on, you can organize your contacts by applying tags or adding them to groups. This is really helpful later for segmenting your emails or targeting specific types of subscribers. If you're importing contacts that may already exist in your audience, you can check the option to update any existing contacts so their information stays current. Mailchimp will then try to match the columns in your file to its own fields. Carefully review each match and adjust any that don't look right. Make sure the email column is correctly mapped, because that field is mandatory. Next, set the subscription status and confirm that you have the proper consent for these contacts, which is especially important if you're planning to use SMS. Finally, review your settings, click to finalize the import, and then complete the import. Mailchimp will process the file, and your contacts will be ready to use in your campaigns.